Welcome back to another NYC Mukbang vlog. Tonight we are heading to Ichiran in Brooklyn and was so shocked to see such a long line. This is not the first time that we are here, but it is the first time that we have returned to dine here since the pandemic, and looks like the place has blown up on TikTok and it is now so packed.
2,000 years later.
After a more than an hour's long wait, we finally got into the restaurant, but we continued to wait while filling out the options for our order. At this time, we were thinking to ourselves that this ramen better be just as good as before, because we definitely have seen places drop their standard as they blow up, as you know, the crowd comes in and it got too overwhelming for them to handle. After a good hour and a half wait, we are finally seated at our booth, and one thing we really appreciate about this place was the speed that the ramen gets served once you're seated and place your order. Oh, 뜨거워. 뜨거워. Toppings is alright.
Where's our check?
What is this? Oh, because it's gotta put one of this thing on here to enjoy. Mine is extra strong. I mean, not extra strong, the strongest. It's okay. The strongest. I'll try yours. Yours is like medium.
Medium with a lot of spiciness.
Oh!
Spicy?
It is 3 times spicy. Well, I should have gone spicy. Mine is medium. Medium's a little not spicy. Peeking. Slightly more spicy.
Alright, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, 2. So good.
You want some mushroom?
Okay. 2 pieces of cashew. Piping hot. Piping hot. Pieces of cashew.
Because
Well marinated.
my mom mentioned that she might come up from New York soon.
Bring her here. There is no ramen as good as this here.
Those are the best. I think Dippudo comes close second. Some bugs.
You do something well, and it's really well. Crack this egg. Instruction sheet on how you should fry your egg. Alright, let's follow the instruction. Lightly crack the center portion of the shell. Lightly crack it around the center. The Korean way, more efficient. Oops! I might have broken it. Might have broken it. I forgot it's not a hard-boiled egg. It's a soft-boiled egg. So I cracked it into half.
It's okay.
Shouldn't do the Korean way. No. The Korean jjimjilbang way is for hard-boiled egg, not for soft-boiled.
your bread.
Oh, so good. Perfectly boiled egg. So pretty. Kind of perfect, except that I cracked it in the middle. So jammy.
That's all I ever said. Yeah. She like said, yeah. So
The egg is cold. I gotta like warm it out of the broth.
I never like thought about doing that. Showing her.
It's needless to say how much we enjoy Ichiran's ramen, judging from the fact that we both wanted just a little more noodles to enjoy the broth with. I think Ichiran's ramen is very consistent and has never disappointed me throughout the years. So if you're ever thinking of a solid ramen place to go, this is where you want to be.
Round 2.
If I had like an extra day, right? Actually, that would be nice. I get to wear scrubs to work. Which I acknowledge. I just, to me, I was just season B, so my
And the next day for brunch, we headed to Juliette in Brooklyn to catch up with our friends whom we have not met in quite some time since her knee surgery. Like most places in New York, brunch on Saturday always draws a crowd, and this little French-style bistro is definitely bustling and filled with its European charm.
Oh wow, banana stuffed French toast. It looks so good. So cute. Wow, that's a lot of meat. What is that? French toast over here. Thank you.
Wow, that was good.
Banana stuffed French toast and burgers.
Yeah, that because the duck. Go back down. Oh wow. Come back up. Yeah. I wake up and I'm playing in the morning.
Oh shit!
Oh, you want some rice?
Is there such thing as too much maple syrup? Probably. Yep. Burger patty.
The funny thing is, I like the cheese on French
Oh,
Really?
soup.
That's double standard. Yeah, I was like, oh no, I don't think you're gonna eat this.
I think it's the type of cheese. I like
Burger.
Mozzarella.
It's weird.
Yeah.
I don't know why I like
Yeah.
it.
It's lighter, right? Do you like?
Korea cheese is mild.
Yeah, you like those milder ones.
Oh, yummy.
So for Juliette, I'll give it a 4 out of 5 stars. The food is on point, like most brunch spots in NYC, but perhaps just missing a little bit of that wow factor for me to give the final star. Also, I do wish the waitresses working there could be a little bit more friendly. However, our waiter is the most helpful and thoughtful in bringing an extra chair for my friend to rest her leg. So overall, it was still kind of a great experience. And that wraps up this mukbang weekend vlog. Hyopo and I headed off to do a little bit more shopping inside Muji before heading home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more NYC content, please remember to subscribe to this channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!